Evening guys, this is Damon from Straighter Edge Woodworks coming to you with another project. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to edge band a piece of plywood so that you can make it seem like a seamless, solid piece of wood. Stay tuned for more details. Catch you soon. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to edge band this piece of plywood for my latest project. Edge banding is pretty simple. You're basically, the only thing you need, you're going to need some edge banding. I got my iron that's already hot. I'm basically going to just apply and I'm just going to go lightly over the pre-glued edge banding. And you want to make sure that you're getting enough even pressure and enough heat so that it will actually melt the glue, so that it will actually stick to the plywood. And it also helps if your piece of plywood is pretty square and pretty straight. And don't worry if you make a mistake and it's uneven. You can basically go over the edge banding again and it will allow you to move it, because it's got a little play in it before it actually hardens up. And like I said, I would just like to make sure that I'm going over it nice, giving it a nice even heat. Okay, once that's done, basically I'm going to take this little piece of scrap wood and I'm going to press it down and just going to make sure that the glue adheres to the plywood. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take my utility knife and just going to lightly score so that I can break off the pieces that I don't need. And there you have it. You have a nice solid piece of wood that is edge band and it's ready to be used.